Should I make for dinner tonight? Maybe some smoked brisket.
Hey girls, what y'all want for dinner tonight?
Lemon pepper wings.
Lemon pepper wings.
Alright, I got this.
Welcome back to the channel, Cooking with Manual Focus. And I know you heard my kids. They want some lemon pepper wings. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit that air fryer, heat that bad boy up, that Powerxl air fryer, and make those lemon pepper wings. Now I'm going to bring those junior chefs in the kitchen because I know y'all haven't seen them in a while. So they about to get down and they about to make these wings. So we'll see you guys at the workstation.
As always, if you want to follow along with this recipe, the ingredients will be in the description below. But before we continue on, a tasty wing is a seasoned wing. Now with that said, we're going to add with our cornstarch some lemon pepper seasoning, some onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. And then my babies, you know they're in the kitchen like I told you, man. I'm so proud of them. So now she's going to incorporate these ingredients in with that cornstarch. Again, we want to make sure that our air fryer is prepared. So we got some non-stick cooking spray, and make sure you spray those grates because they tend to stick. And you want to make sure that your wings are patted dry. So once you did that, we're going to coat these wings in that seasoned cornstarch. Again, you want to make sure that your cornstarch is seasoned just like flour for that perfect air fried wing. So you just want a little bit of cornstarch on there, so not much. It's going to be a light showing of cornstarch on your wings, right? This is going to leave a crispy wing. Now you see right there, not a lot of waste, right? And you see these wings, they do need space to breathe so that air can circulate and get these bad boys crispy. So we're going to go in this air fryer at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. And again, I'm using the Powerxl air fryer.
Hey, it's the reason why I love the Powerxl air fryer. I know you hear it in the background and it's doing this thing on those wings. That's what you need when you're making those air fried recipes, especially with the wings. You need a lot of air that's going to be moving around, that's going to crisp up your food, right? So when it comes out, you get that nice crunch and you win the game. So let's get back to this recipe and we're going to make this thing happen.
All right, we're halfway through the cooking process, so let's flip these wings. So 15 minutes, right? So we're taking these wings out, and as you can see, these wings are looking pretty ashy, but I'm not going to use any non-stick cooking spray on these because, with my air fryer placement, the top wings are going to sweat grease, right? So they're going to coat these bottom wings. Now, if your air fryer isn't, made like mine and you have a single layer, yes, you can use some Pam to assist these wings and get nice and crispy for you. So we're gonna go the rest of the way.
All right, when you got some good wings is when you can smell those wings while they're frying, especially in the air fryer. You got the air moving and you can smell the seasoning on those wings. That's why you gotta season those wings, because those wings are gonna be absolutely fantastic. So when your wings gonna be good is when you can smell that seasoning while it's cooking. Let's get back to this recipe.
All right, so here's the magic right here. So here's the end result right here. So you can see those wings nice and golden brown. However, that bottom rack, I didn't like how it was looking. It wasn't crispy enough for me. So I'm gonna place them back in for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes, there they go. Now we're gonna get back to these lemon pepper wings, right? So I got some butter. So I'm using some olive oil, plant-based butter with some lemon pepper and then a little pinch of sugar. So again, my baby, she's gonna get these, ingredients incorporated. Then we gonna toss these wings in that, that lemon pepper buttery sauce, right? So this is what it's all about right here. You got your crispy air fried wings, and then you incorporating that flavor on top of it. So that additional flavor, that's going to give it a pop. And then you going to toss these wings in that sauce again, because you that boss, right? We making these wings at home delicious, right? Now we got a fresh lemon. We're going to squeeze that fresh lemon over these wings, and then we're going to give these wings another toss in that sauce again, because you that boss, right? Now after that's done, we're gonna plate these wings up. Again, it's all about the presentation when you're presenting this to your family and your guests. So we're just gonna make a little quick presentation with these wings right here. And before you do, man, hit them with some more of that lemon pepper seasoning. And then you want to hit it with like some parsley or some cilantro or something like that to give it a little bit of pop. And then you're in the game.
Cheers. Now that's absolutely delicious. What you guys think?
I think it's very yummy. I think it's very busted.
You heard the kids, man. They're going to be honest with you. So I'm going to tell you, if you're new to this channel, smash that subscribe button. Hey, hit that thumbs up too. Give this video a like. And if you've been rolling me for a while, you already know what we're about to do. We're about to smash into these wings. And we'll see you guys later. Peace.